Okay, so Alex is excited to get her haircut, right? Usually Alex is not excited to get her haircut, but she's getting it here at Disney.
We're at the wrong portal. Let's go to another one.
You gotta go to another one.
This is not like driving a real car. Please tell me, right?
So Alex's Christmas gift this year was a trip to the Clearwater Marine Aquarium. If you've ever seen the movies Dolphin Tale and Dolphin Tale 2, this is where Winter and Hope the dolphins are.
We're going on a boat tour to try to see dolphins.
And it's like an hour and a half.
Yeah.
And they tell us about all the marine wildlife here.
Yes. It was freezing, but it was amazing. And we got to see 5 dolphins.
They got me a phone. They've had them in the RV since, like, how many months ago?
October.
3.5 months.
Like 4 months it's been in the RV and we didn't know it.
So talk to all those kids who complain that they don't have a phone
Yeah,
yet. 'Cause
we're
they're
18. This is our first phone and it's an iPhone 7.
So
And
McKenna's
McKenna's is rose gold. I got her rose gold.
So why do we get a phone, Daddy?
Because they need it. They're going to Costa Rica and they need to be able to be in contact during their travels. So
Look at, he's hugging his sister. Only because he's going away for a week. Ta-da! So it's project time. This is a project that I can't tell you how excited I am because we've been wanting to paint the walls. You know, this is how it came, which we've just never been very fond of, especially McKenna, because when she tries to videotape in here, this is really hard to adjust lighting and everything. So we've been wanting to paint for over a year, and finally, with the twins away in Costa Rica, we are like, there's not a better time. So we're clearing everything out. Alex is our little construction worker. She's getting all the blinds and stuff done.
painting is a project that I'm not really able to help much with. If it's a big open space, I can paint from the floor up to about maybe 5 feet high. But in our bedroom, it's real tight. I can't really maneuver beside the bed and places to get it. Diane has to do all of the painting, so I'm stuck being the supervisor, which that's fine, right, Diane? That's good. That's good. She likes when I'm the supervisor because I can just sit back here and tell her what she's doing right all the time, right?
That's right, because I always do it right, don't I?
Yeah.
So I'm headed to Miami with Pepper as my co-pilot. I'm headed to Miami. The twins are getting back from Costa Rica. They're on the plane now. And the layover was in Miami and then coming into Orlando. And the layover that they got, the guy who scheduled it for him, of course the rest of the group was going back up to Pennsylvania. So the best he could get was a 5-hour layover in Miami and then the flight up to Orlando, so they wouldn't get in till midnight, and then so we'd pick them up and all that. So what we decided to do is it's only about a 3.5-hour, 4-hour drive from Orlando down to Miami, so Mommy is a good mommy, and she's driving down there picking them up, and because I love to drive anyway, and it's kind of fun, it's a nice day out. And I thought too that, like, you know, plane flights, anytime you're getting on another plane, it's just more people, more germs. McKenna did just get over the flu right before they left, so I'm a little bit paranoid. And I will add on that Alexandra is back at the RV with Brian with a fever again, which she just got today. So Not thrilled about that since she just had the flu 2 months ago. I'm hoping she just overdid it yesterday. She did lots of stuff, and then she was out playing tennis for 2.5 hours with friends of ours and Brian last night. So I'm hoping she just wore herself out. But yes, it was kind of fun. The other bonus to this for me is then I get a 4-hour drive back with the twins, and it ought to be pretty fun because they have 4 hours to tell me all their experiences, and now I have them trapped in the car, so they have to talk to me or else.